Hey guys, Grandpa's Cabin Life. Back after a little bit of rehab for the knee surgery. I was not able to, unfortunately, document the entire process of putting the faux stone panels. Again, these are from barrondesigns.com, Barron designs.com. I looked at multiple products. This was absolutely the best. It was the highest quality, most stone-like looking. It also provides an insulation capacity to the underside of the cabin. Apologies, because of the knee, I was not able to get up here to show you the full project. Hats off to Tim, the carpenter who did the work. So basically, there was about a 24-inch space between the bottom of the cabin and the stone slab. So what Tim did with 2x4s, he completely framed it out underneath, enclosed it with plywood, and then sheathed it up with a weather moisture resistant barrier, and then anchored the panels to that plywood backing. So very sturdy, provides an excellent barrier to keep critters out from underneath the cabin, as well as provides an excellent insulator. I know I had talked about in the wintertime the cabin can get a little chilly, especially the floor. Again, this winter everything was open underneath, so even though the cabin was insulated and I got the package for cold weather, the floors were still a little chilly. So hoping for much warmer floors this winter. So as you can see, it's really a fantastic job. Really finishes off the cabin and just gives it that very rustic cabin look. So very, very pleased with it. Again, it's Barron Design. I probably could have undertaken the project myself, but really did not want to. So again, hats off to Tim, but it does really complete the look of the cabin. So that is, or this is the last major project that we had going on up here. Although I may next year throw a filtration system on the well, but closing up the bottom of the cabin with the faux stone was the last significant project. And you can take a look over here. This is one of the panels. This is from their Colorado line of panels. You can see again, really a good quality, very stone-like, stone-looking. And then if you look at it, and this is one of the things that I really liked, these are very, very sturdy construction. You can see these are thick panels, very good quality of insulator as well. These things will hold up to the weather and will help to keep the cold out. So yeah, Barron Designs, Barron designs.com. Check out their website. They are a little pricey compared to some of the other products you'll find out there, but it is well worth it for the quality, for the durability, and for the insulating quality. So yeah, looking really good. I did pan over. This was a this morning's purchase at Tractor Supply. I was looking for a kayak. I didn't want to haul mine from all the way home all the way up here. So this was on sale, $2.99. Excellent buy. I don't know how long the sale goes on. But this is a 10-foot sit-on, designed for fishing. It is the Tioga Angler 100. So it comes complete with obviously the seat, the paddle, a rod holder plus 2 additional rod holders in the back. Ample storage for your gear, little spot to put your beer or your beverage, whatever that may be. But yeah, this was today's purchase. I am probably going to look to snag a second one, so I have 2 kayaks up here. We did find a really cool lake up here that has amazing bass fishing, and also was a blast for brookie and brown trout. So I want to revisit that in the very near future. So yeah, just a little added pickup today. But again, most everything is done here at the cabin, the big projects. The next little project is, you can see where the septic tanks are located, which is right next to the cabin. And just because of the soil and the placement of the leach field, this unfortunately was the only spot. So the next project is figuring out how to cover these tanks up, yet still allow access, just to pretty them up a little bit. So if you have any ideas, please throw them into the comments if you've had something like this, either at your home or if you have a cabin, what you did to dress it up and improve the visual aesthetics of it. So yep, Grandpa's Cabin Life. I'm going to be putting together another video with the next chapter of the book. So that'll hopefully be coming out in the next week or so. Oh, update on the apple trees. So when my buddy Mike and I first planted these, somehow we didn't even bother to think about deer. And the deer took full advantage of fresh young apple trees and pretty much chewed down all the branches, buds, and leaves. But as you can see, let me spin the phone this way. The last time up here, I encased the apple trees in fences, and they are doing really well. They have really come right back. Lots of flowers, lots of leaves, so all 4 trees are looking the same and doing as well. So very encouraged and looking forward to seeing how these trees do over the next few years. It's really going to dress up this corner area. What you're looking at looks like weeds. Some of them are weeds, maybe a lot of them are weeds, but there's wildflowers interspaced in here that will bloom probably within the next couple of weeks. Again, these are the other apple trees. You can see they've all survived the deer mauling. So we've got the other one over there. We've got this guy. We've got this guy. And then we've got that guy over there. And again, that's the frame for the outfitter tent. So if we ever do have overflow capacity crowd, I just get that tent set up right over here in the corner. If you're wondering what this is a basically a deer hoist, Gramble setup system for deer season. The blueberry plants we put in are actually doing nicely. Have blueberries. I probably should cut back some of these weeds around them, but they are doing very well. Quite pleased. So you can see them. They do kind of blend in. There, and there. I'm actually probably going to trim the weeds back. Wildflowers are coming up. You can see all those little sprouts are the wildflowers that I put in a while ago. Keep in mind that where the cabin is a little bit further north, so it's stayed chillier here longer, so we're still early in the growing season. It was actually almost down to 50 degrees last night up here, so we're still, even though it is the end of May, almost the beginning of June, we're still having some quite chilly weather. If we're going to come all the way back here, again by the transformer, oh, there's a little leopard frog. You can see that the I'm going to spin the phone around. The grasses that I planted to kind of conceal this are starting to come up. So again, growing season here is a little bit later than where it is at home, because again, I'm almost 3 hours further north. But yeah, everything's coming along. Grandpa's Cabin Life is pretty much done with significant projects. And then we'll keep you guys up to date as we're going. Again, keep an eye out for the synopsis of the next chapter of the book. Again, A Cabin in 40 Acres is available on Barnes & Noble, Amazon.com. Really anywhere books are sold, you can find it, or you can ask for it and they can get it for you. It details the full story of finding the property, buying the property, figuring out what to do with the property once I had it, getting the cabin. There's my truck. Just hit 100,000 miles with that. Love that truck. And yeah, as it obstructs the view of the cabin. So, hope to talk to you soon. Hope to see you soon. Again, Grandpa's Cabin Life on both Instagram and YouTube. Looking forward to hearing comments. Again, if you've had septic tanks like I have over there, the caps, let me know what you did with them to dress them up. So we'll be talking to you soon. We'll do a little slow around. Hopefully I don't make you motion sick. That's our driveway and Grandpa's Cabin Life. Have a great day. Enjoy doing what you're doing. Hopefully you get outside. All right. Take care. Bye.